Hello, welcome to Beauty Strategy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do very natural highlights on your face. All I'll be using today is a light liquid foundation, a highlighting pen, or you can use concealer, and a highlighting powder. Starting off with my face, I'm going to be applying liquid foundation in key areas. The foundation here is simply 1 to 2 shades lighter than my usual color. I'm adding it to the middle of my forehead and my chin as I want it to appear more round and three-dimensional. Even without all-over foundation, I can improve the appearance of my face and my skin just with highlight. Cheeks are probably the most popular area to highlight. If you want this to look believably realistic, it's important that you use product that does not contain shimmer and it's 2 to 3 shades lighter than your skin tone. You can add shimmery products to add glow and interest, but you want to start with matte first. You can also use highlight to cover unwanted shadows. I'm using this to brighten my under eye and nose. Before I highlight the bridge of my nose, I'm going to highlight and brighten up the darker shadows that are on the sides. You can skip this step if you don't have the same shadows like I have. To be more effective in covering dark shadows, you can also use a concealer. For the lips, add a highlight in an upwards angle to improve the appearance of a downturned lip. I also did a video on Instagram showing how you can improve your lip shape using corrective techniques with a lip pencil that's close to your own lip shade color. One of the best ways to give you the appearance of a taller, straighter, skinnier nose is to put highlight on the bridge. After you get the line that you want, make sure to blend out the sides so that it doesn't appear like a harsh line. Also, be careful not to extend the highlight too far down the nose to the tip, as it could make it appear downturn, larger, or longer. A good highlight will look good on the side as well. Next, for the eyes. Because my eyes are more petite and flatter, I'm going to highlight the center of the lid. Another great area to highlight is the inner corners of your eyes. This is especially good for those with close-set eyes or pinched nose bridges. To emphasize the Cupid's bow, the curvature in my lip, I'm going to highlight the top. To further emphasize my cheeks, I'm going to add blush to it. I'm also taking the time to use this product on my lips to even them out and tie the colors in together. A great makeup hack is to use your lip color and double it up as your blush. As you can see, you don't need a ton of time, products, and tools to do this look. To set the creamy products, I'm going to lightly dust a translucent highlight powder over my face. This will not only set the products, but it'll also emphasize the highlights that I did. To add a little bit of glow to my face, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown brick and highlight the cheekbones and also add it to my eyes and brow bone. You can use the brick and single out individual colors using your fingers. What do you guys think? Do you think the highlight improved the overall appearance of my face? And do you think this is something that you can do on a daily or weekly basis? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.